welcome back to my channel again. So today it's going to be pen and wash or otherwise urban sketching type. So I've done many of them before. I've been doing sketching is always there actually. As you can see, there are many that I have done, the easy ones, the intermediate ones, even the difficult ones, turned them into sketches. Some of them I've painted, some of them I have not. So today actually taking that concept, we'll try to paint Qutub Minar, one of the oldest, tallest towers in olden times, not the modern times. So I'll explain everything. Before we continue, if you are new to this channel, hit that like button and please subscribe and share with your friends so that it helps YouTube algorithm to reach more people. So today is actually going to be pen and wash, wash with watercolor, just very light. Because I've used it's a waterproof pen, so there are two pens I've shown. I've used where is that this. So there are two pens. This one I have, which is Micron Sigma Pigma Micron. This is thinner actually. I didn't use. I've used normally, which is available in the stationery shop, 0.5 mm. Again waterproof. So first I've drawn everything with pencil and then gone ahead. It's not all the details, but then after that I've tried to draw all the details with pen. Apart from that, the main thing you need to remember is, let's go through this painting again. If you see, light is from this side, above, top corner, top right, light is from that side. So depending on that, you have to see where the shadow or casting shadow is there. So because if you see here, this is casting shadow, and the one side where just the shadow is where the light doesn't touch. So apart from that, the main thing you need to concentrate here is actually this is more of 2 or 3 point perspective, 3 point perspective for the tower, and then because it joins the top vanishing point, and then these are the lines which are going left and right. So this mainly urban sketching or buildings, whenever it comes into picture, you have to concentrate on perspective. It plays a very important role. It's very important. You cannot neglect perspective. If it is in landscape, even by looking at reference, you will understand. If it is not, even if you don't know, you will get to know that what should be small, what should be bigger. But when it comes to building urban sketching, the lines actually matters much. So you need to really know exactly where the lines are going to meet, join vanishing point. So keep that in mind. I also have perspective course. Description is below, so link is in the description, so you can actually have a look at it. And then if you try this with pen and wash or any other medium, just let me know how it turns out, because the main intention was to show each and every not each and every, at least some of the stones, and the one which actually makes it more good, at least looking good, is the shadow. It's a three-dimensional. Light and shadow is the main thing, and then the perspective is the other thing. So if you try it out, let me know how it turns out, or otherwise enjoy this video, and then I'll see you in some other video.